Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about cell structure and functions. So let's start. What is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living things. Basic unit. Okay, next. A group of cell working together is called tissue. Then group of tissues are called organ. Then the organs group to form a particular organ system. Organ system like digestive system, excretory system, etc. Thus, our entire body is formed from a single basic unit. It is called cell. That is why we are saying that cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living things. That is, based on structure and based on function, the cell is the basic unit, smallest unit. Okay, next, branch of science deals with structure and function of cell is called cytology. That is cell biology. Next, we are moving into parts of cell. Cell has mainly three parts. First, plasma membrane. Second, cytoplasm. And third, nucleus. So first, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is cell's flexible outer surface. That is, it separates cell's internal environment from external environment. It regulates the flow of materials into and out of cell. Okay. Next, plasma membrane is a lipid bilayer with protein. That is, it is made up of both lipids and proteins. This is the detailed image of plasma membrane. The sky blue colored arrangement in this picture is lipids. They are arranged in a specific manner, that is, two opposite layers. That is lipid bilayer. Bilayer means two layers. They are arranged as two layers facing opposite. These lipids include phospholipid, glycolipid and cholesterol. Next is protein. They are arranged in between these lipid molecules like a mosaic flooring. You can see in this picture. Okay, the structure of plasma membrane, that is lipid bilayer with protein, is called fluid mosaic model. According to this model, molecular arrangement of plasma membrane resembles a continually moving sea of lipids that contains a mosaic of different proteins. Because of moving lipids, the word fluid is given, and because of group of proteins in between these lipids, the word mosaic is given. That is called fluid mosaic model. Next, functions of plasma membrane. What are the functions of plasma membrane? First, it gives protection to the cell and cell organelles. Next, it makes contact with other cell. That is, the plasma membrane is the basic medium for communication. Next, it mediates entry and exit of different substance. That is, plasma membrane regulates the flow of materials into and out of cell. That is plasma membrane. Next, cytoplasm. We are moving into cytoplasm of cell. Cytoplasm is the cellular contents between plasma membrane and nucleus. That is cytoplasm. In this picture, this slight yellow color portion represents cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the site of all intracellular activities except those occurring in the nucleus. Next, cytoplasm has two parts, cytosol and organelles. First, cytosol. The fluid portion of cytoplasm is known as cytosol. The cell's metabolic reactions occurs in this fluid known as cytosol. It is composed of water, solutes, suspended particles and some lipid droplets, etc. That is cytosol. Next, organelles. Organelles means little organs seen in the cytoplasm. Specialized organelles has specialized functions. These organelles are suspended in the cytosol, that is the fluid. Next, we are moving into each organelles. First organelle is centrosome. In this picture, this marked portion represents centrosome. Centrosome is mainly composed of a pair of tubules known as centrioles plus a pericentriolar materials. Thus, two centrioles plus a pericentriolar materials includes centrosome. Then each centrioles consist of 9 microtubules. Thus, 2 into 9, that is 18 tubules are seen in centrosome. This pericentriolar material contains tubulin, which are used for growth of mitotic spindle. This growth of mitotic spindle helps in cell division. Thus, centrosome is mainly used for cell division. That is centrosome's function. Next cell organelles is ribosome. In this picture, the spherical structures are known as ribosome. They are seen as either free in cytosol or attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Then this ribosome has two subunits. That is, structurally it is divided into two subunits, one large unit and one small unit. They are united to form a single ribosome. Ribosomes contain ribosomal RNA as well as some proteins. Main function of ribosome is protein synthesis. So that is ribosome. Next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is the membranous network. Reticulum is network. So, endoplasmic reticulum is membranous network. There are two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain ribosome. That is why the word rough and smooth is used. That is, if it contains ribosomes, the surface will be rough. And if do not contain ribosome, the surface will be smooth. In this picture, you can see these two types. Next, what are the difference between this smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum? As I mentioned earlier, rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosomes, but smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is seen as tubules, while rough endoplasmic reticulum is seen as flattened sacs or pouches. In this picture, these white colored and green colored portion represents smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next, rough endoplasmic reticulum is attached to nuclear envelope, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not attached to nuclear envelope. There are some difference in function also. Rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize glycoproteins and phospholipids, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize fatty acids and steroids. That is endoplasmic reticulum. That is today's video. The remaining cell organelles and nucleus will be discussed in next video. The remaining cell organelles includes Golgi complex, lysosome, cilia and flagella, etc. So that is today's video. Hope you like it. Keep watching. Thank you.